scavenger hunt for you. We have a treasure map with clues, riddles that you'll have to figure out. Do you guys remember our hunt in Texas?
Yeah.
You guys have talked about that so many times, so we wanted to give you another one.
It's so fun.
Okay, so Chason's going to be the map holder. You two will be the map readers, and then Gabriel will be in the lead. So you guys tell him where to go, and don't pass it. That way everybody gets along. Now wait a minute. Chason's going to bring out the map. You guys stay outside.
Okay, then you can do that. Okay, so
Hold on.
it's definitely up to you.
Hold on, guys. Here, I think I see it.
You see
Okay,
that?
so I think we begin here.
And we have to go to the...
Well, yeah, and here's a spring. I don't know what that is. I think it's telling us to go. What? Huh? Oh, it says step 1. Our wheels will be.
What are you?
I'm right here, turning very soon toward the water that's light blue.
Where's the clues at?
Wheels and water.
Wheels and water.
I got it!
What?
The spinny thing, what's it called?
The water wheel?
The water wheel.
Wait for Gabriel. Gabriel, come on! Run!
What?
Yeah. Oh, Gabriel, you gotta be in the lead. Good job, guys.
Wait for Gabriel!
Okay. Whoa! What's right there?
Daddy's phone and hit play.
I wanna see.
Yeah, fine. Everybody can see it.
Whoa!
Welcome to the Florida Keys.
Yay! Whoa!
Is it up?
It's all the way up.
Can you stop getting so close, please? Yay! Whoa!
Wow.
Can I see?
Yeah, come here.
Please.
Wow, look at that ice cream place.
Whoa!
The Turtle Hospital.
Yeah.
Hospital for turtles.
Stop!
Ooh. I've never seen a chicken. Just kidding. Oh, a tour train. Wow.
Wait.
Florida Keys?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Where are we going?
Do you guys
Florida Keys.
Florida Keys, where there's dolphins and sea fishing. Do you guys want to go fishing in the ocean?
Yeah!
Yeah? Do you want to, Chason?
Yeah!
You want to take the RV and go for a road trip to the ocean?
Yeah. But guys, there's one thing.
What?
Look at the map.
Well, what?
There's more on it.
How could there be more?
It says here, step 2. But that's not all. A clubhouse of characters are waiting for you at the
Drums, comb,
at a
trash.
magical place where dreams come true.
So, but that's not all.
Yeah,
the
the
clubhouse. Where's the clue?
Clubhouse.
The treehouse!
Yeah.
That's a good chase.
There's no more clues. There's no more clues. The clubhouse is the only clue. The clubhouse is up there. We gotta go to the
Clubhouse is the only clue? So what does that mean?
That means it must be at the clubhouse. Come on, let's go.
Can I have my pretty?
Ready?
Yeah.
Open.
Whoa, what are these?
Oh, that's the youngest. So Layla, yep, that's yours. This one, Chason, yours is right by Layla's.
This one.
Grady, yours is the first. Gabriel, that
What
one's
is that?
yours. Open them up.
What?
Oh, it's a Star Wars hat.
It's a Mickey Mouse hat. Mickey Mouse hat.
Why did we get you Mickey
Layla,
Mouse?
what's on your shirt?
What? I don't know. Looks like Disney. I got a cat. I got. Guys, I was right. I got Disney World.
Should we go?
Disney World. Yeah.
Name on it? Guys,
Guys.
we're going to Disney World.
Right now?
No, not right now. We're leaving in 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Wait, that's when Guess okay.
Yes. We're going to Disney World and then to the Florida Keys. We're going to be gone for like 4 weeks.
Yes.
Vacation. And guess what?
What?
No homeschool.
Yeah!